You guys see all that action? I got something big on here, guys. Oh yeah. Hey, what's up everybody? Derek here. Today I'm fishing the South Skyway Pier and I'm going head to head with one of the hardest fighting predatory fish in these waters, the Jack Crevalle. Now I've never targeted these fish before, but today that's what I'm after. Now pound for pound, these fish hit like a freight train and they don't know the meaning of quit. Sometimes they'll wear you out before you wear them out. So my secret weapon I'll be throwing to catch these fish is this bad boy right here, a tried and true micro metal jig lure. I love throwing these lures because you get great casting distance, they cover a lot of ground, and they flat out just catch fish. So y'all stick around, don't go nowhere, because I'm about to show you how to get hooked into these powerful predatory fish and what it takes to land one on this pier. So let's get to it. One of the secrets to catching fish, landing fish with these jigs is you can do two different methods here. You can do a cast and fast retrieve or a cast and slow retrieve. You can also even cast it out, let it sink to the bottom, and then just jig it a couple times and then slowly reel it in, let it stop, and then jig it a couple times and then slowly reel it in. So whatever you feel which method works best and which one catches fish first, that's the one you stick with. Anytime you see these bait fish, you know these jacks are here. Here's the jacks right here. I'm about to get these jacks for you guys. All right, here we go. Watch this, I'm gonna get these jacks. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Jacks are here. Jacks are here. Here they are. Let's see here. Jacks are here for real. Here they go. Got one on, guys. He's on. Got one on. Got one. They're here, guys. Got one. Oh yeah, he feels like he's got some meat on him. What is that? It's a jack. There he is. There he is. Oh, that's a decent sized jack. Look at that, guys. Another decent sized jack on the micro jig. Ah, come here, buddy. There he is. See ya.
Dục hả? Dục hả? Không, xin không.
It's always fun to catch the jacks when they're running. They seem like they're running like right along there. So I'm gonna throw this right back down there. Let's see here if I get onto them. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go, guys. Oh yeah, he's on. There he is, Jack right there. Look at that on the micro metal jig, guys. On that micro metal jig. Look at that. Jacks are running right now, so hey, these are always fun to catch. Slow down, guy. Take this off of you. All right. There he is, Jack. There we go, he's on. Oh yeah. He's on, guys. I think that might be, oh man, that's a big one. That might be a tarpon. I don't know. Let's see what that is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys, he's going underneath the, where'd he, oh, I don't want to lose him. Oh no, there he is, another jack. There he is, another jack. Another jack, all right. Look at that, another jack, guys. Ah. Another jack. Woo, this is fun. Oh my gosh, this is fun, guys. Woo. These jacks are coming out to play. I'm loving it. Man, they loving this lure, guys. I can't stress it enough. These lures, they love these lures. Got him on, guys. Got him on. He's on. Oh yeah, he's on. Oh yeah, he's on, guys. Oh my gosh. Guys, you gotta see this. Look at this. Check this out. Look at this. Look at this, guys. You see all that action out there? Let me move my pose out the way. You guys see all that action? Look at that. Look at that action. Look at that. You see that? That's what those birds. Oh man. A lot of action, guys. I got something big on here. I got something big on here. I got something big on here, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was a big one. Oh yeah, there he is. There he is, guys. There he is. Another jack. Look at that. On a micro metal jig. Threw it out there where all those birds are. Like I said, Mother Nature won't lie. They tell you where the fish are. You can see the jacks out there just jumping in the water. So took advantage of that. Here we go. We're gonna do this again. Oh, they're coming back this way. They're coming back this way. Here we go. Oh, here we go. They're coming back this way. Here we go. Oh, they're chasing them. These birds that tell you where these fish are, they're gonna tell you where they at. There we go. We're on. We're on, guys. This lure never lets you down. The jacks are here, guys. The jacks are here. Oh yeah, baby. They're here. They're here, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The jacks are here, definitely. Oh yeah. There he is. Come here, buddy. Look at that. The jacks are here. Micro metal jig, baby. All the way. Micro metal jig, baby. Whoa, slow down, buddy. He mad too. Get him off of here. There he is. They can't resist this flash of this lure, guys, I'm telling you. When that water is slightly stained like that, you got to go with the that's chrome shiny color, because it really mimics the scales of these thread fins, the bait fish out here, and it really gets those fish attention. As you can see, man, they got those jacks attention real quick. And those jacks, the thing about those jacks, they're very aggressive. Once they hit, they'll hit it. They won't bump it. They'll hit it. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. There we go, guys. Let's see this. It might be a small jack. No, that's a, what is that? That might be a small jack. I think that's a, no, that's a blue runner. That's great bait for offshore fishing if you're going offshore fishing. But yeah, come on, buddy. All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap. Man, I came out here. It's been a while since I've been out here fishing. Decided to come out here to the South Skyway and do some fishing today. Like I said, it's been a month or two. Been really busy, but I said I was gonna get onto these jacks for you guys using this micro metal lure. And did I not disappoint? Guys, I got onto those fish for you guys really quick, didn't I? The jacks are running. The birds of the sky led me right to them, and I got on them quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, much love is appreciated. If you hit that like button, also be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and click that bell to be notified so that you don't miss any upcoming new videos. That's all I have for now. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.